Good afternoon, sir. Sir, thanks for giving us time. We just like to see that how FITGI and iNext can have a common ground and where we can help FITGI in getting the numbers which they want. Sorry. Sir, we would like to take you to the about FITGI. I just wanted to understand that my understanding is clear about FITGI or not. It was started by Mr. D.K. Goyal in 1992, and initially it was pioneer in its field. But now we have a lot of competition like Akash Institute, Narayana, Vidya Mandir, and Bunsen classes. Your priority market is Delhi NCR, UP Uttarakhand, Bihar Jharkhand. Incidentally, these are Jagran priority markets as well. And the communication objective is that you want to fill up your courses with good students, most importantly the high budget courses, and you want to communicate the last year's result. And for this, you have been taking the most of the important Hindi newspapers which are there in the market, like Dainik Jagran, Amar Ujala, Hindustan Hindi, and Dainik Bhaskar. These particular slides I have just taken just to clear my understanding about you. Now I want to take you to a very important slide. This is the main result of joint entrance examination for this particular year. As you can see, that our markets contribute maximum, like Uttar Pradesh has done 19,000 students, Jharkhand has given 5,500 students, and Bihar has given 10,000 students. Now, if you look at this, these are the top 10 states which have contributed maximum for the joint entrance exam, the main results. As you know, 1.5 lakh students actually qualify for the joint entrance advance. And out of them, almost 40,000 students come from these three important markets. Now, incidentally, they are your target group because they are the students who actually aspire for IIT, and they are actually the students whom you are looking for to fill up your seats. And the most important thing is, this is core target group for iNext as well, which we'll see in the following slides. Now, what is iNext? iNext is a bilingual compact size daily. It is leader in its particular genre. It has been awarded the the young reader, newspaper reader. It has a circulation of almost 4 lakhs. And iNext is very vibrant, very colorful. It is very different from a normal broadsheet. It has got a youthful appeal. And most importantly, it's very urban because it is circulated. Yes, sir. As you can see, the total content of the newspaper is very different from what a normal broadsheet is, because we have only one news on the front page, and then it is followed up on the subsequent pages.
Bilingual, you mean?
It is bilingual because we have a combination of both English and Hindi. We can call it a bolchal ki bhasha, the way we actually speak normally. We use a lot of English words when we speak in Hindi. And similarly, it's written actually. So till now, let's look at the iNext markets. We have got these 13 cities where we are actually present. Incidentally, out of these 13 cities, 7 cities are actually your study center. So that means we have got 100% coverage of your study center cities. So when we talk about a place like Kanpur, we have got a study center, a place like Lucknow, a place like Patna, we have got a study center. We also have an addition out there. So we are covering all your study centers, which are important study centers in the northern India for FITGI. Now, before we propose what we can do for you, we just wanted to emphasize on the fact that your competition is already present in iNext. They are already advertising like Vidya Mandir classes and I10 Pace. Apart from that, Allen Institute is also very much a part of iNext. Now the proposal. The most important thing, which we have already seen in the last slides, that you actually want a young TG, the people who want to, people you want to fill up the seats with. And we can help you in actually getting this core TG. We do a thing called Indian Intelligence Test, which is done across 34 cities in 7 states. We can have, like we carry this, sir. education page every day. Now we can have this education page is carried on all the 5 days in the weekdays. So what we can do is we can have a sample test paper along with the tips to how to crack IIT JEE, and that can be sponsored by FIITJEE. Now what is Indian Intelligence Test? Well, it was an initiative by iNext, Segregated Education Service and IIT BHU last year, and it was an instant success. We had actually got 1 lakh students appearing for this. In fact, I am carrying this brochure along with the question paper, which was actually set by the professors of IIT BHU. This is the brochure and the OMR sheet which we had used for this. And the most importantly, it was not only conducted in the Jagran markets, it was conducted in non-Jagran markets as well. We had conducted that in Rajasthan as well. Students from class 6 to 12, they actually appear for this exam. And this year we are in fact aiming to touch more than 1 lakh students. And these are the students who actually aspire. Last year it was just little less than 1 lakh, and this year it will be almost 1.5 to 1.75 lakhs, which we are aspiring to touch. And this is the core TG who aspires to be in IIT, and this is the core TG who actually are the students of FIITJEE. And the most important thing is, here is the marriage. This is the TG who reads iNext.
Shaumek, I have a question.
Yes, sir.
While आपके product को देख के मैं समझ में आ रहा है कि TG is absolutely right.
Yes,
But
sir.
typically, a course at my institute costs me about 5 lakh rupees per student per annum.
Yes, sir.
So somewhere naturally, student being student, they are not gonna pay it out of their pocket.
True,
so
sir.
their parents have to be involved.
Absolutely,
So
sir.
how would you suggest that a part of the communication, which is very important, also reaches to their parents?
Because of the
What is your TG in the
Sir, if you look at the broader TG of iNext is 16 to 45 across socioeconomic A and B. Most important thing is, if you look at the profile of iNext, it is socioeconomic and A, B constitutes almost 46% of the total readership, and MHI 30,000 plus constitutes almost 11% of the total readership. So that answers that question, that suppose it is a very high budget course, then these are the people who have got money, those who can pay for these courses. So they are actually students. And the most important thing is they are actually the influencer. I understand that the parent will pay for the money, but the student is actually a very great influencer in this, because finally he decides whether to join FIITJEE or any other course. The second most important thing is, apart from Indian Intelligence Test, where we can actually help you is, these are the kind of articles which we keep on carrying. I showed you the education page. In education page, we can carry the courses on JEE Advanced. We can carry the tips on how to crack IIT JEE, which is very important for this particular TG, because they wanted to know. They wanted to know how, how to crack IIT JEE, how they can actually benefit by having those tips in hands. Like this particular article which we have carried, and being logical actually helps in cracking IIT JEE. So I have taken one of those articles, and this actually we have carried another article which says that how to tighten your belts for JEE Advanced. So you can sponsor this page, or we can have an editorial integration for this page. So that's how that particular connect can happen with the students. So that's the thing, sir. Thank you very much.